Veteran political leader Bindo Lanong, who is contesting as an independent candidate from Nongkrem constituency in the upcoming assembly polls on Friday, said that he was denied the ticket from the United Democratic Party due to intrusion of businessmen into the party. While speaking to reporters, Lanong, who is the founder member of the UDP, has also accused that party president and general secretary were involved in denying him the party ticket. The veteran political leader also said that he will return to his parent party after the elections. Earlier, former independent MLA of Nongkrem Lambor Malnyang has defended that the UDP has given him the party ticket after they have carried out a proper survey at the ground.
So UDP is no longer, the party that I have expected to be. Had it been with me, there together, we could have reached 15, 16. But 30.
It's out of the question.
30, I think, is
Exaggeration.
a figment of imagination.
So I don't want to say anything on that. The party, they have decided the best. They have gone to the ground. They have done the survey, proper survey. I've been there with the people for more than 20 years, and people are with me, and I'm with the people. So on these, accounts, so the party has decided to, allow the party to get to me.
External Affairs Minister Dr.